This video will take us through the process of adding attachments to an existing supplier record. So as we can see here, we have the record. There's an attachment section at the supplier level and at the site level. So we'll go ahead and add an attachment at the supplier level so we can have a file, text or URL. In this case we'll add a text. We can add the other criteria to it in terms of the attachment category, description, etc. And we'll just add an attachment text comment. And then we'll go ahead. As you can see, the other attachment is indeed a file, a PDF file. So we'll go ahead and put the create records at the appropriate level. And then you can see what we're going to do here is update the record. So we could add in attachments to a supplier as we're creating, or we can add the attachments after we've gone through and created the supplier, download it back into the sheet, and then as you can see, the upload action is update records. So we've put an attachment at the site level, two attachments at the supplier level. So it's going through doing its validation and creation process now, and at the conclusion of this we will see that the attachment status is accepted. So we have successfully attached two attachments to an existing record. As I mentioned, you can add the attachment as you go through the creation process initially. So that is the process of attachments with the supplier integrator.